Roadrunner, a P&M Roadrunner. He's gonna freak out. Better open the door, buddy. It's okay, bud. It's okay. Look at there. Look at that guy in there. Look at him. Hey, buddy. Look at you. All pooping on everything. Hey, buddy. Hey. It's okay. Oh, he's young. Why don't you open your door?
Yeah, I was gonna do that so you can get out the other way.
Okay, I'll move. Come on. Okay, let me see if I can get him to go that way, because he kind of wants to go that way for whatever reason. Hey, buddy, he's young. Check him out. Hey, go on out. Go on. Look at this guy. He's young. Shall we keep him as a mascot? Go on. It's okay. He likes it in there, apparently.